Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, we are going to learn something very important and useful in our daily life, how to introduce yourself in English. Whether you are a student, a job seeker, or someone who wants to improve communication skills, introducing yourself confidently is the first step to making a good impression. So, if you feel nervous while speaking in English or don't know what to say when someone asks, tell me about yourself, then this video is just for you. Let's begin. Nala hai. What is self introduction? Self introduction means talking about yourself in a simple, clear, and confident way. It is usually required in situations like meeting new people, school or college introduction, job interviews, public speaking, social events. A good introduction helps others understand who you are and creates a positive first impression. Remember, first impression is the last impression. Azil, basic structure of self introduction. Now let's understand the basic structure. A good self introduction has five important parts. 1. Greeting dot. Start with a polite greeting. Examples: hello, hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon. 2. Your name. Tell your name clearly. Example: my name is Raju. I am Raju Patil. 3. Where you are from. Talk about your place. Example: I am from Sangli. I live in Maharashtra. 4. Your background info. This includes your education or work. Examples: I am a student. I am a farmer. I work in a company. 5. Your interests or goals. Tell what you like or your future plans. Examples: I like farming and learning new techniques. My goal is to become successful in my career. Example for students. Now let's see a simple introduction for students. Hello everyone. My name is Rohan. I am from Sangli, Maharashtra. I am currently studying in 10th standard. My favorite subjects are English and science. I like playing cricket and reading books. My goal is to become an engineer in the future. Thank you. Tip: speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush. Now, Pit. Example for farmers by business. Hello, my name is Raju. I am from a village in Maharashtra. I am a farmer and I grow crops like pomegranate and vegetables. I am also interested in modern farming techniques and small business ideas. My aim is to increase my income through smart farming. Thank you. Kyle. Example for job interview. This is very important. In interviews, your introduction must be professional. Good morning, sir, by madam. My name is Raju Patil. I am from Sangli, Maharashtra. I have completed my graduation in commerce. I have experience in farming and small business management. I am hardworking, honest, and always ready to learn new things. My goal is to grow professionally and contribute to the success of the organization. Thank you for this opportunity. Tip: keep it short, confident, and relevant. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these mistakes. Don't speak too fast. Don't use very difficult words. Don't be nervous. Don't make your introduction too long. Don't forget to smile. R. Pro tips for better introduction. Here are some useful tips. Practice daily in front of a mirror. Record your voice and listen. Use simple English. Maintain eye contact. Be confident and natural. Remember, confidence is more important than perfect English. Conclusion. So, friends, today we learned how to introduce ourselves in English in a simple and effective way. Start practicing from today. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. Practice makes you perfect. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.